Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video we are converting our weather forecast web page into Android application. For that, simply open Android Studio and create new project, then select empty activity. It will take time to build Gradle. Then open these four files. In activity_main.xml file, change the layout to the relative layout. Then in themes.xml, change action bar into no action bar. After that, in main activity.java, import days library and functions. Create private web view and load URL here. Then create public class. And at last, in Android manifest.xml, type this to give internet permission for Android application. Click on play button to run the application. User had to give input and press predict button. Tomorrow is sunny day is our prediction. Thank you.